Learn your tribe, lighthouse. Catch a vibe, lighthouse. We glow up, lighthouse. Glow up, lighthouse. Our second lesson is to develop an effective message using the 5 C's of communication. Effective messages are clear, concise, credible, compelling, and consistent. These are known as the 5 C's of communication. Let's dive deep into each C and highlight brands with effective messages. The first C is clear. Make your message easy to understand no matter the audience. Arby's message, "We have the meats," does a great job of being transparent. Arby's is targeting a specific type of customer, the meat lover. The second C is concise. Be direct and to the point without unnecessary information. You want to avoid distracting and confusing your audience. Geico's message, an insurance company for your car and more, utilizes and more to pull their customers into buying other types of insurance, but they updated their message to make buyers aware of their additional services. The third C is credible. Incorporate details to support your message. Whole Foods message, "Whatever makes you whole," is backed by their local, organic, and plant-based products. You wouldn't expect this message to come from a fast food restaurant like, say, McDonald's. The fourth C is compelling. This C is all about catch and inspire. Catch your audience's attention and inspire them to take an aligned action with your digital marketing goals. Liquid Death Mountain Water's message, "Murder Your Thirst," speaks for itself. Using the word murder is attention-grabbing enough, but when you add your thirst regarding a beverage company, the goal is to get people to drink their products. The fifth and final C is consistent. I will argue that this is the most important. Your message must be flexible enough to be incorporated into any marketing strategy you develop. Nike's message, "Just do it," can easily be worked into their various marketing campaigns and their audience's everyday conversations. Ask yourself these questions when developing your brand's message. Is my brand's message understandable? Is my brand's message direct? Is my brand's message supported? Is my brand's message attention-grabbing? Is my brand's message flexible? Lights work assignment 2. Develop an effective message for your brand. Remember to follow the 5 C's and share your brand's message with the group. I provided a few examples of brands with effective messages, but there are many more. I challenge you to research your favorite brand's message and share it with us. Our next lesson is identifying who to share your brand message with by using targeting and customer segmentation. Learn your tribe, lighthouse. Catch a vibe, lighthouse. We glow up, lighthouse. Glow up, lighthouse.